Hello everyone. Download the Swidu Parents app from the Play Store by typing SWEEDU. Swidu is designed with amazing features to bring the best of school mobile technology to every education institutes. Let's see about its features in detail. Enter the login ID and password provided by the principal of the school and log in the app using the same. In dashboard, parents can view their personal details and student details after clicking on view profile. You can view details of multiple children. On the dashboard, you can view fees details. In due fees, you can view the child-wise fees due. By clicking on Pay Now, you can pay the fees by clicking on the month for which fees needs to be paid. By clicking Pay, you can pay through banking, wallet and pay online. In Pay Online, there are many options. Then you can pay by clicking on any options and filling all the details. In Paid Fees Report, you can view the records month-wise of all the fees paid. In Attendance, you can view month-wise attendance of your child in lecture attendance. You will receive a notification if your child is absent. In Daily Attendance, today's attendance will be viewed. On clicking on any child report, you will be able to view attendance of the whole month in calendar format. In Timetable Management, you will be able to view weekly timetable of all your children. By clicking on Tutorials, you will be able to view any tutorial if uploaded by the teachers, HOD or principal. In Announcement, you can view event, competition, notice and holidays. You can download the attachment in event, competition and notice. In Homework, regular and vacation homework assigned by the teachers can be viewed and the file can be downloaded. In Calendar, event and holidays can be viewed. If the event or holiday is marked for a particular date, you can view details by clicking on that day. In Leave Report, you can take single day or many day leaves for your child. By clicking on Report, you can view the reports of leaves taken. In Offline Video Tutorial, you can view the tutorial if uploaded by teachers in any specific subject. In Online Class, you can join any class scheduled by teacher at the time it was scheduled by clicking on Join. By clicking on Logout option, you can log out from the app. If you forget your password, you can click on Login with OTP and enter the registered number. Then OTP will be sent and you can log in using the same. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.